Hello, my name is John Alexander, and I'm a personal injury attorney practicing in the Detroit Metropolitan Area. I want to ask you, has your personal injury case ever been rejected by another law firm? Sometimes when people have personal injuries and they think they have cases and they go to one of the bigger law firms, their case gets rejected. And sometimes a second set of eyes on a case can see something that the first set of eyes missed. Let me give you an example. When I first started practicing in the early 1990s, a medical malpractice case came to my office. A poor lady went to the hospital and she was given a shot of sulfa, it's a medication, and she was allergic to it, and she ended up dying because of the sulfa injection. Now, her case was rejected by a large law firm because when they examined all of her medical records as well as the hospital, in other words, when they looked at all of her prior medical records, there never was any written evidence in the records that she was allergic to sulfa. And she'd been to numerous hospitals and numerous doctors. Well, when I got the case, I went and made a personal visit to her personal physician. And we sat down in his office and he showed me her records. This is an example, but it was in a file folder, and the record copy company, when they came out, only copied the interior records. But what was never copied, and what no one ever knew, was on the outside of the file, there was a stamp, and it said allergies, and it said sulfa. So once we were able to determine and tie that knot up, we determined that she was allergic to sulfa, we could prove it, and we ended up winning the case against the hospital. So if you have a personal injury case that has been rejected by another law firm, feel free to give me a call at 248-290-5600, and we can discuss your case.